Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about the climate of India. Let's get started. Regional variation in climate of India. India is a country with great north, south and east-west extent. So based on Köppen system, India has three major climatic groups with subtype ranking from arid desert in the west, alpine tundra in the north, humid tropical region in the south and southwest, and humid subtropical in the east. The table shows the temperature, rainfall and seasonal variation of different climatic regions of India. Factors affecting the climate of India. India's climate is mainly controlled by the following factors. Number 1. Location and latitudinal extension. Latitude in a extension of our country is from 6 degree north in the south to 37 degree north in the north, that 23rd and half degree north latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, passes through the middle of the country. As the southern part of our country is closer to the equator, it experiences direct rays of the sun and high temperature throughout the year. With tropical climate, and northern part of the other land has the subtropical and temperate climate with comparatively lower temperature. Number 2. Role of the Himalayas. The Himalayan mountain range stands as a barrier in the north of India. It has a definite influence on controlling the rain-bearing monsoon winds in India. It is for the Himalayas that northern India gets profuse rain. The Himalayas also protect the country from the severe cold wind of Central Asia in winter. Number 3. Relief. The very relief features of our country exert influence over the distribution of temperature and rainfall condition. The presence of Himalaya in the north and western Ghats in the west of peninsular India force the southwest monsoon winds to cause rainfall in the foothill region of the Himalayas and on the western coastal plain respectively. The higher part of the plateau region of South India lying within the hot tropical belt are not so hot. Number 4. Distance from the sea. Water usually take a longer time to heat up or cool down than the land. Nearness to the sea therefore has moderating influence on the temperature. As peninsular India is surrounded by the sea on the three sides, the coastal areas have continental climates. Number 5. Monsoon winds. Monsoon winds are seasonal winds that blow from opposite direction two times in a year. During summer, the southwest monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea, carrying moisture toward the land. They cause profuse rain over most part of India. This period, the southwest monsoon, is known as the rainy season in the India. During winter, cold and dry monsoon wind retreat from the northeast direction. These wind blows over the land and do not cause rainfall over mainland India. While crossing the Bay of Bengal, however, they pick up moisture and cause rainfall in the Coromandel coastal of Tamil Nadu. Thus, monsoon winds play a vital role in shaping Indian climate. Number 6. Jet stream. The very strong, predominantly westerly air current called jet stream bring changes in the upper air circulation over Indian landmass. During winter, westerly jet stream are responsible for bringing western disturbance from the Mediterranean region in the Indian subcontinent. During summer, the easterly jet stream causes outbreak or onset of the southwest monsoon in India. Number 7. Western disturbances. In winter, some cyclone of the Mediterranean region called Western disturbance enter India, causing a little rainfall in the north. Number 8. El Nino and La Nina. El Nino is associated with the high pressure in Western Pacific Ocean and low pressure in the eastern part. Warm ocean current develop in eastern and central Pacific Ocean, which influence the temperature and rainfall of the associate region. La Nina is just a reverse phenomenon resulting in sustained cooling of the same region by both have an impact on set of monsoons in India and the moisture content of the winds. Now discuss the season of India. According to the weather phenomenon, the Meteorological Department of India recognizes the four seasons. They are: number 1, the hot weather season, that is March to May, summer. Number 2, the southwest monsoon season, June to September, rainy season. Number 3, the retreating southwest monsoon season from October to November. And number 4, cold weather season, that is December to February, winter. There are regional variations in the length of period of this season in India. First, the hot weather season, that is March to May. The hot weather season begins in March and continues till the end of May. A rapid increase in temperature is witnessed because the sun moves northward and shines vertically near the Tropic of Cancer. The temperature starts rising in the middle of March. May is the hottest month of the season. The highest temperature is recorded in the northwest and west. Barmer in Rajasthan has temperature of about 50 degrees centigrade. Many parts of central India registered 40 degrees centigrade temperature. Condition of low pressure develop over northwest and central India. Local storms of violent type occur during April and May. Loo, Andhi, nor'wester, mango shower are some local storms which occur in the hot weather season. Number 2, southwest monsoon season, June to September. The southwest monsoon generally blow from June to September. They bring rain. For this, the season is known as the rainy season. The monsoonal rains are responsible for agriculture success in India. During summer, low pressure center develop over much of northwest India and Central Asia. A comparatively high pressure condition prevail the Indian Ocean in the south. This result the movement of the wind from the sea up to the land. Due to the rotation of earth, this wind deflect to the right in the northern hemisphere and blow southwestly. Thus the southwest monsoon develops. About the middle of June, the southwest monsoon bursts with storm and rain. The advent of the rain bearing is called the monsoon burst. The winds blow steadily, and by July the whole of the country comes under the influence of it. As India is of peninsular shape, the southwest monsoon approaches the land in two separate currents. Number 1, Arabian Sea current, and number 2, the Bay of Bengal current. Now, the Arabian Sea current. The southwest monsoon from the Arabian Sea strikes the Western Ghat. It causes heavy rain on western side of the mountain. The amount of rainfall ranges between 200 to 400 centimeters. After crossing the Western Ghat, the monsoon wind most of their moisture. When they reach the Deccan Plateau on the leeward side, they give little rain, about 60 centimeters. Toward further east, they become almost dry, rainfall only 50 centimeters there. This region remains as rain shadow region. A part of this wind causes rainfall in Narmada and Tapti Valley and in Chotanagpur region. Toward the further north, a part of these winds passes over the desert of the Rajasthan and goes straight right to the foothill of the Himalayas without giving any rainfall because the Aravalli range lies almost parallel to its direction and gives no obstruction to it. Number 2. The Bay of Bengal Current. It passes over the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta and strikes the eastern Himalaya and sub-Himalayan ranges of northeastern hill region. A branch of the Arabian Sea current which passes the central India also meets the way of the Bay of Bengal current here. Therefore, heavy rainfall occurs in the northeastern hilly region. The highest rainfall, 1250 cm approximately, is found on the southern slope of the Garo Khasi Jayantia Hills in Meghalaya Plateau and Mawsynram in Cherrapunji. It records the highest rainfall in the world. A part of these winds is deflected toward the Indo-Ganges plain and spread westward along the southern slope of the Himalaya in decreasing quantities up to Kashmir. At Rajasthan, the wind failed to produce any rainfall, that is, make Thor desert. The retreating southwest monsoon season, October to November. By the end of the September or early October, the intensity of low pressure and rainfall become much less. Consequently, the southwest monsoon wind begin to retreat. They leave the Punjab plains by September, the Ganges delta by late October, and the south by early November. This act of the monsoon wind is known as retreat of monsoon. During this season, as the southwest monsoon wind retreat, the northeast monsoon wind approach, and sometimes they collide, resulting in the formation of cyclone, particularly on the coastal strip of the Bay of Bengal. In West Bengal, these cyclones are known as Ashwiner Jhar. The cold weather season, December to February. The cold weather season starts in early December and continue till February. During this season, the sun's rays do not fall vertically in any part of the country because of the southerly movement of sun. The temperature decreases from south to north. Snowfall is common in some part of the Himalayan ranges. The high pressure area develop over the plain in the northwest region. The wind blow from the high pressure area to the low pressure area over the south. These winds are called winter monsoon. They blow from the northeast direction. Generally, fair weather prevails. However, this fine weather is occasionally disturbed by the cyclone depression visiting from the Mediterranean Sea. They bring range in the area of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP and West Bengal. They also cause snowfall in northwestern Himalayas. They are popularly known western disturbance. Winter rainfall also occurs along the coastal strip of Tamil Nadu. The northeast monsoon wind absorbs moisture while blowing over the Bay of Bengal and strike against the eastern Ghats to cause rainfall in the Coromandel coast.